I just transformed my outdoor space from that to this. And the best part, I did it without hiring contractors, without spending thousands of dollars, and without using any complicated tools. Unbelievable, right? All I needed was Lockscape PermaRoX, a free weekend, and a little bit of self-dedication. Let me show you how you can do it too, because trust me, if I can do it, you absolutely can. PermaRoX comes in two parts. Part A, the base resin, and Part B, the hardener. They work together to lock in stones for a beautiful, durable finish that holds up to weather, water, and wear. The resin is also UV resistant and highly permeable. Step 1 is surface prep. Start by making sure you have a suitable sub-base that's either permeable or slightly pitched for water runoff. Make sure your base surface is dry, clean, and properly compacted. No oil, no loose dirt, no greasy residue. If installing over existing concrete or asphalt, fill any cracks or damage and remove any loose coatings or sealers before pressure washing it clean and letting it fully dry for at least 24 hours. Step 2, gear check. You'll need gloves, mixing cups or buckets to combine parts A and B before mixing it with the stone, a wheelbarrow or mixing tray and shovel, garden hoe or mechanical mixer, a rake and or trowel to spread and tightly trowel the stone after it's poured on the surface, some plastic wrap to line your buckets and wheelbarrow or mixing tray. This will save your tools, trust me. Your PermaRoX kit and trowel slick. This is optional but recommended because it does help the resin from sticking to your trowel. And your stone aggregate. This can be standard pea gravel or decorative quartz or marble, whatever you're working with, up to a ½ inch in size. Step 3 is mixing the resin. The mix ratio is simple. 3 parts resin or Part A to 1 part hardener or Part B. The kit comes in a 1 gallon size, which is 96 ounces of resin and 32 ounces of hardener. Gets mixed with 200 pounds of stone. For this project, we split each kit into 2 batches. Each batch is 48 ounces of resin mixed with 16 ounces of hardener. Then we mix that with only 100 pounds of stone. Pour in 3 parts of resin in a container and then 1 part of hardener in the same container. Mix them and stir for a solid 2 minutes. Scrape those sides and bottom. Let it sit while we load up the mixing tray with stone. Now you've got 2 options. Using a mixer, dump in the appropriate amount of stone, then pour in the mixed resin. Run the mixer for about 3 minutes until the stones are fully coated. No mixer, no problem. Use a wheelbarrow and a shovel. Make sure to line your mixing container with plastic first. This stuff gets sticky fast. Just pour the resin over your stone, then manually mix for 3 to 5 minutes until every piece is coated. It's a bit of a workout, but totally worth it. Step 4, now transfer and pour the mix right onto your surface. Spread it out with a rake and then trowel it smooth and tight. It's important to compact the aggregate tight. Don't leave it loose. Loosely troweled stones weaken the bond. To get those clean edges, use landscape or tile edging. It helps keep the stone in place and gives your job that finished pro-level look. If you want to use a form or edge that can be removed, make sure you use form wax. And don't overdo the trowel lube, just enough to keep your trowel slick. Too much can mess with your finish and weaken the final product. Now let's talk about coverage. 1 gallon of PermaRoX covers about 200 pounds of stone, which is usually 4 bags. That gives you around 45 square feet per batch at a ½ inch thick. You can lay this as thin as a 1/4 inch thickness for patios and walkways. Driveways should be at least a ½ inch to 3/4 inch thickness, so plan your coverage accordingly. Make sure to clean your tools with soap and warm water immediately. Once this stuff cures, it's not coming off. And once you're done, let it fully cure for 24 hours before walking on it. Give it even more time for driveways or high traffic areas. And there you have it, stone locked in, sealed, and ready to last 4 or 5 years. Lockscape PermaRoX doesn't just give your space a clean, polished look, it also protects your investment from UV rays and extreme weather conditions for a long, lasting finish. For more tips and detailed instructions, check the included technical sheet or visit us at permarox.com. Get your PermaRoX today and transform your outdoor space like never before.